In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import files from Figma into Bolt. First, open your design in Figma and get it ready for a good import. For the best results, make sure your layout uses Auto Layout. Auto Layout helps Bolt understand spacing, alignment, and responsive behavior, which leads to more accurate components and cleaner utility classes. It also helps to keep your frames well structured. Name your layers clearly, keep sections grouped logically, and avoid unnecessary nesting. Consistent text styles and color styles are also beneficial, as they translate into more reusable code patterns. Next, select the exact frame you want to import. In Figma, right-click that frame and go to Copy or Paste As. Then choose Copy Link to Selection. This grabs a direct link to the frame itself, not just the page or file. Double-check that you've selected a top-level frame rather than a group or a random layer inside it. If you are working with multiple frames, copy the link for each frame you plan to bring into Bolt one at a time. Clear frame names can make it easier to identify them later. Now, head over to bolt.new in your browser. If you are prompted, connect your Figma account so Bolt can access the frame you just linked. Then click the Figma icon in Bolt and paste the URL you copied from Figma. When you are ready, select Import Figma Frame into Bolt to kick off the conversion. Bolt will start analyzing your frame structure, layout rules, and styles to generate the code. Give it a moment to process. The time can vary based on the complexity of your design, so just wait until it finishes. When it's done, you'll see your design translated into React components written in TypeScript, with styling handled through Tailwind CSS. Explore the generated files. Look at how components are broken down, and review the Tailwind classes that map to your spacing, alignment, and typography. If something doesn't look right, revisit your Figma frame. Confirm it uses Auto Layout, reduce overly complex nesting, and make sure the link points to the correct frame. Small adjustments in Figma can significantly improve the final code. That's it. Thanks for watching.